today I'm going to show you how to speed up your downloading speed for people with slow download, and speed up your upload speed as well, and your internet connection with Speedify. And let's test it out. Right now my Speedify is not on, so let's see how fast my downloading speed is without Speedify. Let's use my video as an example. Let's try to download this 10-minute video of mine. Let's download this as MP4. Okay, let's download it right now. Okay, so my download speed is like more than 20 minutes, and that's really bad. This is my download speed without Speedify, and oh look, it's over an hour. Okay, that's very long. Let's cancel it and let's try to open Speedify. Okay, so right now I am in the Speedify app. As you can see, it's disconnected. It's saying here, and we'll turn it on right now. Okay, I don't think you should change settings in here, because it already sets you up the fastest settings you can have, and you can also test your speed if you're satisfied with your speed. Okay, now my Speedify is turned on. Let's try to download the same video again. Download it right now. Zero download speed. Okay, it's way faster than my download speed without Speedify. So look at that, it's very fast for a 52 MB file. It's less than a minute. It's just a few seconds. This is such a lifesaver. And so yeah guys, that's Speedify. Speeds up your download speed. It's available right now in the Play Store. If you want your internet sped up like this, just download it right now. I'll leave a link in the description, or you can search Speedify in Play Store right now. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good one.